Malta, look at that. I guess she got the rabbit eater. She's a rabbit. Oh, there he is. Malta looking nice. Where's Karlee? Somewhere over there. Cool boat. Crazy water color.
A tunnel below. Many people think that rock looks like an elephant's head. It was also used in the film The Count of Monte Cristo. Per vedere la grande roccia che esce fuori da un tunnel di sotto, molte persone lo somigliano testa d'elefante. Era posato nel film Il Ponte di Monte Cristo. So ladies and gentlemen,
This vlogger probably got a gross flavored water. Where are we?
Victoria, the capital of Gozo.
Gozo.
Gozo, Malta.
Place is pretty cool. Wow, look at that. Yeah?
Do you know how to get up there? Our bus driver said walk this way. Okay. But I don't know exactly. Okay. All right.
Did you come from this way?
No, I came from the bus too.
Oh, okay.
And I made a circle now too. I have no idea.
Everything's closed. Trying to get up there. City center. Someone. Severus Cesar. Used to be a tree. Look at that. Wow. Had to stop to get a popsicle. Charles Flag gave a popsicle. Now we're going up here. The Citadel. This is on the tentative list for the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Pretty cool. What do you think, Carlos? probably someone's house at some point. Lock entrance, first house was
Whoa.
store fell and disuse.
And then it blocked the entrance, and hundreds of the residents saved themselves from sleeping by staying in the wall.
Where's the door?
It was here.
That was there, now it's gone. Cool. I'm gonna fill this out. Tight squeeze. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Sneaky. Oh, dress. Whole city over there. I just got out of this cave. And you swim in and you can go all the way to the other side. But on the other side is the ocean and it's crazy rocky. And the water goes up and down probably 10 feet once you're in there. And it's probably 50 yards long and you can't rest. And so it got a little too crazy and I got to the edge and then I turned around so I didn't have a mask or flippers. But people are going through there and it's pretty scary. It's a cool area. It's just a nice little lagoon. The ocean's through there. And people just chill out here. Pretty good setup.